Hi everybody, Melissa here to show you a really fun take and make a craft this week that I thought would be super cute that I made in one of the machines that we have here at the library. It's this super cute little Pikachu craft that you can either put on a magnet or on a popsicle stick or even both if you want. It's super cute, and I'm going to show you in this video how to put this together. It's super easy, and I know you guys are going to love it. If you guys want some more inspiration on how to draw like the cute face and add some more features to your Pikachu, we have some really fun books too and video games at the library. For example, like the super cute Pokemon Pikachu game. I checked out the this is for the Switch. I actually checked out the EV one, and it was so cute. I really loved it. Pikachu is just such a cute and fun and loving character that's just all about friendship, which I love. So another one that we have are these super cute easy reader books that I thought were nice and cute. It's another face that could help you steer some inspiration. Let's see what other one we have. Oh, this one's super cute. This is Alolan Academy. This one's another fun one. And then we also have other ones that take a place in the Pokemon world. These are cute graphic novels. This one is the Pokemon Black and White. There's so many of them in the series. These you do probably have to read in order, so I would recommend that. And like the other books, this one actually starts on the left-hand side, which is kind of, I want to say that these books are kind of like the beginning to manga, so these are really great readers to read. And then last but not least is this other one that I thought was super cute. That includes cute little Pikachu along with his other friends and Ash, of course. I believe it's Ash. I think so. It looks different. But anyway, this is another manga that we have here in the children's department that I thought was super cute. So yeah, follow along with me and we're going to make this super adorable Pikachu craft that I'm sure you're going to love. Okay, so this is I'm going to do a new way of doing our Pikachu craft to show you guys how to do our Pikachu craft. It's just a little bit easier this way. So in each kit, you're going to get this background image. It's kind of like a black background image. So that's going to be like your bottom piece. You're going to want to do the piece with the one piece with the black, it's kind of like texture-y, and that's the facing up one that you're going to need for it. So meaning that the one that's solid, the side that's solid is the one that goes down. So I'm going to put it down. So it's the the textured side up. If that makes any sense. I'm so sorry. And then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to grab your body piece. So it kind of looks like that. And then as you can tell, if you match it up, it kind of matches up a little bit like that. And that's what you want to do first before you glue this guy down. So what you want to do is, like I said, align it, kind of get it nice and firm on there. And then once you're ready, grab a glue stick or whatever you have at home to glue your Pikachu down. And then what is very important for this step is that you're just going to want to do the top portion. So meaning the head and the ears and the cute little hands. Make sure to glue that nice and secure down. We're going to leave the body for now, because we're going to include his little tail under. So just put some glue on the top like so, like I did here, and then press it down. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do it. I'm sorry if my head is in the way. And then, yes. And then you're probably wondering, like, how can I get this here? Let me take it off of the center. Take it off the board here, so I can get it nice and glued down. The hands are the most important part that they kind of align. You're gonna notice that there's some black spots open, but that's completely okay. You can leave them on there, or you can choose to cut it off. So like this spot, so you can choose to cut it off if you don't want it. So then once you do that, I don't think this is gonna work out here, you guys. So then once it kind of does that situation and you do that, you're gonna grab your tail, and it doesn't matter what side you do it on, as long as the little piece, you could do it this side or this side, it doesn't really matter. So this is why we didn't glue the bottom portion down. So we're gonna take our tail and we're gonna place it under the body. So we're gonna pick this yellow piece up and we're gonna place it like this. So it shows like that. So I'm gonna grab my glue and I'm gonna put some glue on the back portion of the tail, or whatever part of it that I want it not to show. So I put some glue on it, and then I'm going to use that, and I'm going to put it under it. So, like so. And it's okay if you have glue like I did. So then that's going to look like that, and then we're going to glue the rest of the body down. So I would highly recommend putting the glue on the black part. It's easier that way. Ah, okay. Sorry. I lost it. Alrighty. So then it's nice and secure. Okay. And there is the tail for our Pikachu. It's not sticking. I don't know why. I think it's because I need to put another magnet on it. At least for this, because it's too heavy to take. So then there is our Pikachu. It's nice and glued down. You have the body. So then the next portion that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to put the cheeks on. So this one and this one. In each of your kits, you have these cute little cheeks and pre-cut. They kind of look like a little moon. And you're going to just want to put it on like so. So I think this little moon goes on my left side. So like that. And then the other one, which is like a full circle, put it down. Oh no, I dropped. So then once you got figured out how to do that, glue it down. So I'm so sorry I couldn't show you guys how I'm gluing this down, but it's not working out for me. So then once you're done, once you glued your little cheeks on, it should look like that. Got a little bit crazy with the glue. So then it should look something like that. And so the next thing you're going to want to do for this guy is that each of your kits has a cute little tongue. If you decide to do Pikachu's face with his mouth open, then you guys can do that. You can use the little tongue. If not, for this one, I'm just going to do a very simple face. I'm going to grab my black marker. So if you guys have a black marker at home, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to draw some eyes. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna draw I think that's a small eye, you guys. Let's see. So, like that. Kind of make them similar if you can. I'm not a very good drawer, you guys, so I'm gonna try. And then I'm gonna draw a little nose. And I think his mouth is like a little squiggle. Let's see. Yes, it's like a little squiggle. So this is where the books come in handy. See? It looks funny, but it doesn't matter, you guys. Like I said, I'm not a very good drawer. So then I think his eyes are supposed to be more far apart, but that's okay. And then if you guys have a yellow marker or crayon, I'm going to just draw my little pupils in. I'm going to use this. It's some whiteout I found, but you can use whatever you have. I think he has his eyeballs right here. See, it doesn't look too bad. If you guys decide to do an open mouth with the little tongue right here, all you would have to do is glue the little tongue under it. So grab your little tongue and then just put it right under there, like so. Or you can draw it better than I did and then just make sure to put the little tongue on there. But yeah, that's how your cute little Pikachu looks like. The final step is to put either a magnet, which is included in your kit, or you can also include a popsicle stick, which I included as well. The magnet, all you do is take off the little white piece and put it on, or you can put the little popsicle stick with some glue or tape, and then you're finished. But this is how our cute little Pikachu is, and I hope you like it. Thank you.